Hi, Michael Coleman here with Hawley Home Inspections. Today I was wanting to show you guys something. Everybody always asks me, why do I want to get a home inspection on a new construction house that was just built? There can't be anything wrong with it, right? Well, that's not always the case. So today we're here in Shiloh, Illinois, and I'm on this roof. You guys can see, pretty high up here. And this is what I stumbled across. We got some damage here. Shingles are missing. We got some missing shingles here with a little bit of damage. Quite a few spots on this roof, actually. There's another one right here. That's not too bad. That's possibly caused from the birds. But then we've got another spot over here. And you can see the flashing there is exposed and everything, so potentially spot for a leak. Also, I want to point out one more thing here. The second floor gutters coming off the second floor of the roof, typically these are supposed to drain into the gutter on the first floor. If they don't, the area of that roof is going to wear a lot quicker than it would if it hadn't been connected. Last thing here, just notice this. Well, we got some nail popping going on this roof as well. So, I guess what I'm trying to say here is, even though it's a new construction, brand new house, there's still potentially going to be issues or problems. So it's always good to have a home inspection. Thank you again for choosing Hawley Home Inspections. Have a great day.